Welcome to another Learnandgain session on ITIL. In this video we will discuss about how event management process helps prevent business impact. Let us take an example of an online shopping service. The company's entire business depends on the online shopping and its related web services. Imagine a user purchasing a product online through the company's online store. Let us consider the product is worth $100. In the event of a web service down, the user will no longer be able to access the online store. The loss to the organization is $100. An incident is eventually triggered when the customer is impacted. The customer will be impacted until the incident is restored. Eventually the business is impacted. The incident needs to be restored as soon as possible, to prevent any further loss to the business. Every second until restoration is a loss to the organization. Consider a scenario where several users across the world are trying to make a purchase. The amount of transaction involved is huge. As time goes on, more and more users across the world would be trying to access the online store for purchase. The more the time taken to restore the incident, the more is the financial loss to the organization. Time is equal to money. The longer we take to restore the incident, the higher is the financial loss to the organization. Most of the organizations today have their own major incident handling process to coordinate and restore these type of high-impact incident at the earliest. How can we prevent such incidents from happening? How can we proactively identify these high-impact incidents in advance? The answer to the question is event management. Event management helps prevent these major incidents to a greater extent, even before the business is impacted. Let us look at how event management actually helps in this scenario. When is the business impacted? When the server's reached its full processing capacity, and can no longer process any further instructions and breaks down. What if we are notified in advance about the incident, even before the customer is impacted? Like a notification well ahead before reaching its full capacity? Consider a scenario where the web servers are being monitored 24/7. All the potential business impacting parameters are identified for monitoring. Threshold values are set in the monitoring tool before the parameter reaches its full capacity. Once the server reaches the monitoring threshold defined in the monitoring tool, the support team will be notified to take appropriate action. At this point in time, the customer is not impacted as the online store is available for consumption. The server has not reached its full capacity by when the customer is impacted. Only when a parameter reaches 100%, its full capacity, the customer will be impacted. The online store will not be available to customers and there will be a financial loss. With event management in place, the potential parameter that could trigger an incident is proactively acted upon prior to the customer or business being impacted. The possibility of customer or business impacting incidents is greatly reduced with the help of event management. The support team takes appropriate action ahead of any impact. Hope we have provided you with some basic information on how event management can help prevent business impact. For more videos, please visit our website Learnandgain. You can also subscribe to our channel on YouTube. We will be publishing more videos on ITIL. You can also follow us on social networks like Twitter, Facebook, Google, LinkedIn and so on. Thank you and have a nice day.